Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and two new paint sets that just got flown in from Gaahleri for me. Uh, I knew these were coming. I wanted to tell everybody that they were coming. I've been excited to see what is actually coming out because they wouldn't even tell me what colors. They said, "Oh, you're going to like these." And they're not kidding. I am really excited with this. So let's jump right down to the committee meeting going on right now. Doug's taking pictures. He's keeping track of all the different colors. Let's get the grill out of the way. Burgers and dog night tonight. But the crew all got together because they said there is no way we're going to let him build another roadster with new colors. They said I've been painting long enough with good equipment that it's time for me to up my game. And I plan on doing that. But right now, let's see what we got in the automotive set. There are 24 colors in the full set, and they're split into two categories. We're at the 209 to 220, or 209 to 220, which are the base, and then the 317s to the 328s, which are the metallics and the pearls. So they've added these into the original set, which is really nice. I like how they did that. So my base colors aren't going to be all mixed in. They'll all be, I'll have the base colors and then all the metallics and pearls working on the rack, because I go by the K numbers more than anything else. And I'll pick a color up and I'll say K 213 and I want K 218. So I'll just count them out to that, pull it out and go. Because the way my racks are, I can't really see the colors all that great. But it works out very well for me. Let's talk about the colors. We got some really good base colors. Ruby Star Red. I mean, look at this acid green. My camera sucks because this is sassy grass. I'm telling you right now. Perfect for that. The Abu Dhabi Blue is kind of like a blue-gray. If you were building ships, that would be perfect for a World War II ship. We got the Stealth Gray. Heritage Orange. Look at this. The Heritage Orange. Sand Beige. Ivory Cream. Tell me that's not a upper half of a 55. Leather Brown. Blue Gray. Ton of colors here. Acapulco Blue. I'm just picking out ones that are jumping at me. The Metallic Speed Gold. That's kind of like a darker gold than the metal colors. I like that. That's going to be cool. And then there's the one that jumped out at me as soon as I opened this package up is the Midnight Purple 2. We are going to use that next. I got a car that I have some big plans for. The crew have been getting on my case for really upping my game. So you're going to see me up my game as best as I can. And this is going to be the primary color for it. So I'm not going to take you over to the spray booth, spray a bunch of spoons. Pretty much that just wastes my paint and clogs up my filter. So you'll see them coming as I work with them. I just want this to be like an overview of everything that just hit the market, because Gaahleri days are running and there's some big sales going on. The next set is their 24 Mecha color sets. And I've been asked a whole bunch of times, why do I always push the Mecha sets? Because the Mecha sets have perfect sympathetic colors to go with my automotive colors. I mean, if I was building an Edsel right off the rip, there's my interior. Right now, hands down. The Core White, Vanguard White, there's just a whole bunch. And you can go, you don't have to stay in, okay, I build cars, so I'm only using the cars. You can go into the mechas. You can go into the other colors and look around. I'm just kind of throwing that out just so you think about it, because there's some really cool colors in here. The first 24 colors had some really cool colors. And now that they've added all these on here, I'm telling you, I wish this was out a couple of months ago, because this Vanguard Red looks exactly like what I was trying to do underneath my Mustang. So it is what it is. If it wasn't that one, it'd be this Justice variant pink, which kind of looks a little bit more of the red oxide to me. We'll see when I use it, but that looks like something that I will be using. All of these. And I like having them on hand. If you buy the kit, you got it. And then as you use it, just you can reorder. And yeah, it's a hit at the beginning, but as you go through, it's not that bad. My auto color chart, I use these all the time. I keep them on my desk so I can quickly reference a little bit bigger picture than what's on the box, and they don't take up as much room. But I mean, check out this mint green. This is the original colors. I mean, they have the whole 48 colors in here. So like I was saying, the mint green come back over. That's what I was talking about with the this one's the flight green. I was talking about the blade blue too for an Etzel, but I can see this on my Victoria with that as the exterior color. So, like I said, the purple, the metallic, or the midnight purple too, K327, this is what you're going to see next. But these sets are nice. They're well packaged, like always. I'm going to pull these out because, like I said, oh man, I always go for the purples. Like I said, mine are in Chinese. Yours will not be, unless you're there. But the set, the K number's there, so I can go by that. They also come with the cleaner, which what I do is I'll clean my airbrush, then I put maybe 2 or 3 drops of this in there and go and squirt it through just to get all my cleaning stuff out with their cleaner. And then, you know, it'd be a whole lot easier with my Snicker bar fingers. You get the thinner too. So what I do, and I do this every single time I go to put my brush away, the last color of the day, you know, I will drop some of their cleaner through after I use my cleaner, and then I'll put a couple of drops of the thinner through it and just pow and blow that through there just to kind of clean house a little bit. It makes me feel better. Nice boxes. These things come bulletproof, and then they're wrapped in bubble wrap, and then there's another box on top of them. But again, I'm not going to jump over to the spray booth and clog my filter up to paint a bunch of spoons. There's a bunch of people doing that. You've already seen how nice Kaleido paints paint. They paint well enough to where my Tamiya paints are no longer on my desk at all, because I can brush paint just as well with these. Actually, I can brush paint better with these than I can with theirs. So the Tamiya paints hit the drawer. I got a ton more room. Look at how much room I got on my shop now. It's outstanding. So I had to make the decision because I was starting to feel claustrophobic. But yep, like I said, Gaahleri days are going. Don't forget about the Avanus or the Vortex. I would show you the Vortex, but the suction cups are on my desk over here, and I don't want to rip it off and then be moving it around. Just because it's a pain. It's way over on the other side over here. But with that, how about if we say Gaahleri days are going till September 15th? Got some awesome sales. Jump over there or jump on Amazon. You can go both ways with it, and the sales are going. I know on the Gaahleri store, they have all kinds of different flash sales and things like that. So jump over there first and see what you can see. Use Grandpa Mark as the coupon code on the Gaahleri page. Use P2D1BZ7T. You're not going to remember it. Go down to the description, copy it, and paste it. Drop it in the Amazon discount code. Let's not forget about our veterans, our first responders, and our active duty people. They put them on the line every single day so that we can do what we're doing. And I thank each and every one of you. I salute each and every one of you. And if you were here, I'd shake your hand. And with that, I am going to cut this short. There's no sense in dragging this out and showing, like I said, showing you painting spoons. We all know how the paint flows. I think it'll be better to watch them go on the cars. So my spray booth is now set up to where I'll be able to take pretty darn good videos of me at the booth. So you'll be able to see how I spray, and you'll be able to see when I screw up too, because I'm not going to hide it. I'll show it to you. But with that, I'm going to let y'all go. Y'all have a great day, a better tomorrow, and thanks for stopping by.